Unraveling the mystery of driveway turnaround. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but interesting phrase in the English language: driveway turnaround. If you've ever come across this term and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. This phrase might seem straightforward to some, but it holds a bit more nuance that we're going to explore together. So, let's get started. At its core, the term driveway turnaround refers to a space within a driveway that allows for vehicles to turn around easily so they can exit head first onto the street, instead of backing out. This feature is particularly useful in residential areas where driveways are long or when direct access to the road is limited. A turnaround can be designed in various shapes, such as circular, square, or even just a wider area of the driveway that provides enough room for maneuvering. Why is a driveway turnaround so important, you might ask? Well, it's all about safety and convenience. Backing out of a driveway onto a busy street can be risky due to limited visibility. A turnaround allows drivers to face the street as they leave, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, it's simply more convenient to drive out forward, especially when you're in a hurry. It also reduces the wear and tear on a vehicle's transmission over time. There are a few common types of driveway turnarounds. 1. Circular turnaround. As the name suggests, this type features a circle that cars can drive around. It's often seen in larger properties. 2. Hammerhead turnaround. This type resembles the shape of a hammerhead and allows the car to back into the side space and then drive out forward. 3. T-shaped turnaround. This involves a straight driveway with a perpendicular section at the end, forming a T shape, allowing vehicles to turn around. Each type has its own benefits and is chosen based on the available space and specific needs of the property. Designing a driveway turnaround requires considering several factors. Space. You need enough room to accommodate the turning radius of a vehicle. Landscape. The design should complement the existing landscape and not require excessive modification. Budget. More complex designs can be more costly to implement. Local regulations. Some areas have specific rules regarding driveway constructions. A well-planned driveway turnaround not only adds functionality but can also enhance the property's aesthetic and value. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of driveway turnaround and why it's a significant feature in residential design. Whether you're planning to build a new home or just interested in understanding different aspects of English vocabulary related to architecture and design, knowing about driveway turnarounds adds an interesting layer to your knowledge base. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Safe driving and happy learning!